How can you raise your hand to God to ask for forgiveness, for mercy, to ask for help in a fight, if all you do is shut out the light? You know, I never believed it was possible not to succeed. I believe that hard work, honesty, and commitment would make always come through. Then I watch 100 bulldozers pull chains across the veldt. I see truck and mighty machines tear down trees centuries old, dig a hole 36 stories deep, just to bury and hold things people don't want to keep. I saw the pile raise up in the sky, a quarter-mile high, where seagulls and eagles fly. Now the poisons have sunk down into the earth. Now the fish and frogs won't give birth. The insects and bacteria are flourishing, while